First important thing to note is this that we have used the setter and getter at the class level. But suppose your requirement is to generate the setter method for this variable only, not for these five. Okay, so what you will do is you will remove this setter annotation from here. So you can see there are no setters in the class. All right, and then you will place at the field level. That means this field will have setters and these fields will not have any setter method, as you can see in the outline generated class. In this way you can use the setter and getter annotation at the field level. Second thing here is to notice that the setter and getter which is generated by these annotations are public by default. Okay, and if you need to change the if you need to change the access modifier, like you need to remove that public. Okay, what you can do is you can use a access level thing here in front of setter. So access level dot protected. Okay, and this you can import from the Lombok. Uh, okay, Lombok dot access level. Okay, Lombok dot access level dot protected. So that means the setter which is generated by the setter annotation will be protected here. Okay, and other than that, if you don't specify this, that means it will generate a public setter for this string. And the similar goes with the getter. Okay, you can play with these things and see how they work.